Here's how to replace the PermaPure on the Fitmate Pro. First, unscrew the PermaPure from the back of the device. You may also need to disconnect the flow meter. Next, remove the flow meter from the mask. Once this is done, pull out the black PermaPure connector from the flow meter head. You can then begin detaching the PermaPure cable from the flow meter. These are connected along the length of the cables. A good way to know when the PermaPure needs replacing is when the rough part of this cable starts to discolor. This will no longer be translucent. Open the new PermaPure and connect the black connector to the flow meter head. Begin reconnecting the PermaPure tube to the flow meter cable. Once this is done, you can reconnect the PermaPure and flow meter to the Fitmate Pro for testing. Or securely wrap the PermaPure and flow meter around the storage disc to keep it safe between tests.